As businesses increasingly look to reduce costly paper-based processes, e-signing is essential for end-to-end digitization across your organization. It is even more so now, when remote employees are unable to transfer physical documents to customers. By moving from wet ink to electronic signatures, you can remove the final roadblock to elimination of paper and achieve full digital transformation, reducing operational costs and transforming the customer experience. SignDoc, a solution for e-signature evolution. Kofax SignDoc Cloud is a software as a service, or SaaS, offering hosted by Kofax that enables trustworthy, secure, and convenient paperless signing. Kofax SignDoc Cloud enables you to replace wet ink signing with electronic signatures that simplify and expedite your business processes. It enables the validation of authenticity and integrity of signed documents by providing means to authenticate a signer's identity, as well as verifying that the document has not been altered after signing. When it comes to e-signature solutions, you can buy big and end up paying for features you'll never use. Or you can buy smart and get the capabilities you need to meet all your performance goals.